are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. You must evacuate the aircraft. Exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change of color or an exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on items behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit door on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceiling. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access the mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing in. If the bag does not inflate, put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on this afternoon flight, please remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten just before leaving the aircraft, and place the vest by pulling sharply down on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which would be distributed if necessary. Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Please bring your seatbacks up, close your tray table, stow your personal device holder, fasten your seatbelt, and return your headrest and footrest to the original position. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. Taxi and takeoff, and also please take your devices out of the outlets if you're sitting at the exit row. And upon arrival into Maui, you'll need to wait till we're 10,000 feet in the air to replug them back in. This is for the exit row assignment. If you plan on sleeping on this afternoon flight, we do ask that you put your seatbelt on the outermost bar.
flight attendants please be seated for departure.